Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your post shareable on Facebook on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open the Facebook app, and then on that what's on your mind section, you may type or you may also upload the photos that you want. And then before posting your status or your post, just make sure to click on that friends or that privacy button and then make sure it is on public. Once done, click on done and then, for example, let's say hello and then post. Wait for it to load and that post will be shareable. If by chance you posted a post or a picture that the privacy was set to friends, as what you can see here, you can simply change that by clicking on the three dots and then click on edit privacy and then click public and done. Wait for it to load, and that's how you can make your post shareable on Facebook on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.